size 8. This is a men's. So have one of the GGs right here. Got 4 different Dunk Low SBs. That's pretty dope. Look at this, $40, and they got a bunch of sizes. These are the same ones. What the hell? One's 100, one's 105. All right, we starting this video out in Glendale, and this store is all about returns. And they got a couple interesting returns. Dude got the girl dad's right here, and this is a return. I already talked to one of the workers. I'm like, hey, you guys have other sizes? Nah. Yeah, they do have a size 8. This is a men's. And to be able to get this for retail, pretty dope. Material is just super, super nice. I'm not a huge fan of that color. That's the only thing on this one. Not a big fan of the color, but yeah, pretty dope to be able to get it for retail. And they got one of these right here, one of the 6s, and then an SB Dunk. I think these are all returns. This is a 10.5 right here, 125. I would think about it if it's like 30 or 40% off, but nah, these are all retail. This is also a 10.5. This is clean, dude. It is a Dunk Premium. Got that suede all over it. Yeah, they got some decent returns. And then also have one of the GGs right here, the Mambacitas. These are freaking dope, dude. These are dope, but yeah, it's a size 4. It is a size 4. Could have gotten my hands on one of these, but I was just broke. I was broke. I could probably get one now, but yeah, these are dope right here. Also got these, the Rust Pinks. Size 8.5 women. So size, what, 7? Grade school and men's. And then got a few other things, not too bad. 25% off. These Infinity Run Flyknit, what, 4s, not too shabby. I was talking to one of the workers, and they said they primarily get mostly running shoes, and I never really noticed that. But yeah, they do have some Jordan stuff, some Dunks, some casual shoes right there. And then these are all running shoes. Yeah, they do have a lot more running shoes than pretty much anything else. Coming out with so many colorways of the Invincible Run 3s. I'll find one eventually, heavily discounted. Hopefully can find a refurb or something. But yeah, they do have a ton of colorways. All these going for this is not a 195. What? All right, so 195 for the brand new colorways, it looks like, and then 180 for the older ones. Dude, holy cow, $2 for freaking Invincible Run 3, really? Yeah, that's crazy. And what are these Pegasus Plus right here? It looks like these have Zoom X on it as well. These are another one for 180. These look really similar to the Pegasus 35 Turbos that I have. It looks very, very, very similar. It's interesting. It does have Flyknit on the top, Zoom X on the bottom. 180 for these. I'm good with my Pegasus Turbos, the Pegasus 35 Turbos that I did grab for like $40, 35, $40. I'm good with that because 180, a little steep on these. And I feel like these have more Zoom X on the midsole, so these seem a little bit more comfortable. And then do have some Dunks, Jordans. Nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy. These are 25% off. We've seen these for $100 at the outlets though. Also got these going for 25% off, 115. But I don't know, I'm just not a fan of the regular Dunks. These the Gray Fogs? They re-released the Gray Fogs? Okay, I guess so. 115 for these. And then the women's section, pretty much the same. Jordans, Dunk Casuals, and then running shoes right here. And then in the women's section, man, I really want these. I really do want these. These look so freaking comfortable. It's interesting because some say Zoom X on the back right there, and then some say Invincible Run 3s. Some of them got different fonts, kind of interesting. Then the Alpha Flight 3s. Alpha Flight 3s. I am looking for another one of these, someone else that I know is running a marathon. I think she wears 8.5 women's. I do have my size 12.5 if someone wants to trade. If someone happens to have a size 7 or 8.5 women's. Might be a size 7 men's. And they do have a good amount of apparel here as well. But the price is just not what I'm looking for. You do get 25% off, I think, off of the Tech Fleece, but we've been seeing these for $100 with 40% off at the outlets. So that's what, $60 out here. They're still above $100. So, just Y'all should know. Y'all should know what's up. And then we are going back to the Glendale Galleria. All right, let's see what's up at this Foot Locker. Where they got a little sales table. Got a bunch of Pumas right here going for 50. These are also down to 50 already. I feel like these ain't even been out that long. Do got some Club C's right here. 50 bucks. I feel like we've seen these for cheaper lately. And then $15 hats right here. But like, do they have anything good though? King's Pro standard hats. These are really, really nice. These are really nice. Got some boxers right here, 2-pack for 15 bucks. Not bad. That is Jordan brand. And got a bunch of other hats. I don't know. I'm not digging these hats. I like team hats. I don't need all that stuff. Still got these on sale. I thought they all sent these to the Foot Locker outlet. Whatever happened to that? I guess not. Omni 2's going for too much. Yeah, we've seen all this stuff at the Foot Locker outlet. Like, damn, dude, just go to the Foot Locker outlet if you guys want that stuff. And I still don't understand how the Wolverines. These are the Marvel Reebok collabs right here. I don't know how these classic leathers are on sale, but not the Club C's. These are the Gambit version right here. Maybe most people like the color on this one better. Material's nicer too. Got the Homer NMDs right here, down to 100. All these at the Foot Locker outlet, as well as these bad boys right here. This Ultra Boost, saw all these for 50% off. The same price at the Foot Locker outlet. They do have multiple AEs. Have not seen that at too many spots. These are the AE lows. Go for 110. So that's pretty dope. Got another Simpsons. What are these? The rivalries down here. These are nice. I like these. I like these. And this is supposed to be Bart Simpson, I believe. Right? And yeah, I kind of like these because the rope laces. I like the fat rope laces right there. $80. Normally, what, like 110 or something like that for that one. M&M's one on sale. I thought we would see a ton of these at Ross, Marshalls, that type of stuff. How do they have these for regular price? Like, that's the stuff that just don't make sense. We've seen the KD17s on sale, and this spot has the KD16s go for regular price. What the hell? Here's Zoom GTs. I don't think I've ever seen this one right here. Iridescent outsole right there. 110 for these. Normally 180. Wow, that's a colorway I've never even seen. Wow. Right next to that, got some foam posits right here. Pretty much Nike's most expensive sneaker. $240 for these bad boys right here. And they do have sales tags on quite a lot of stuff, just not the craziest prices, especially after going to the Foot Locker outlet. Foot Locker outlet's not even that far from here. Still do have the OG Diamond Turfs right here, $170. That is dope that those are still available. Still got the old school Barclays, but we've seen that one on sale at a few spots. I guess they're changing the format. They're changing the floor model of how all the Foot Lockers are. Those are all the casual shoes right there. They got Nike mixed in with a few other things, but I think that's primarily Nike. They got Adidas right there. And this is basketball. This is Nike basketball, Puma basketball. Got Under Armour right there, so they're trying to put all the basketball shoes next to each other. And they kind of got Jordan brand right here, and then New Balance right here. And I just realized these are quietly selling out. People have been buying these. I don't know why. Like, I know everybody. I know there are some people that, want every Jordan, but $2 for these. These have been chilling. So have these. These have been chilling at most spots, as well as the ones right here. Then are these going to be readily available? I hope these are available at the outlets. If they're at the outlets, I'll grab them. I will grab them. And then 574s. I think this is the colorway that they had at that Champs, and it was $40. I thought about it. I really did. But yeah, I need to chill. But 574s on sale. Different materials, different colorways. I'm a fan of most of them because I just love the 574s. I need to head up the Foot Locker outlet, see if they have any more there. Because even at regular price are $90, so they would have them for $45 there. Okay. Some of these skate shops have been good lately. Nike SB apparel for all of you SB fans out there. Oh, this is retail, but pretty dope. Long sleeve, short sleeve shirts, all with Nike SB branding on it. All kinds of stuff right here. Look at this. Holy cow, holy cow. Most of these shirts, $40. That's why I hit up the outlets, man. Damn, dude, 40 bucks. But nice selection. I know some of you guys are ballers and don't have to look at price tags like I do. Yeah, they got Dunk low SBs right here. I wonder if my kiddo would like this one. Do they have a size? Size 11 and 12 only. God dang it. God dang it. I didn't think about it. My kid would probably like this one. It is suede, which is kind of a pain, but suede is a lot more durable. Rose Anvil talked about that. He's like a leather expert, and he talked about it in his video where he compared the SB Dunks versus the regular Dunks, and he did show how much more durable the nubuck as well as suede leather is, and that's why they use a lot of it on the SBs. They do make them a lot more durable. But yeah, they do have multiple SB Dunk lows. Did I just take the tag off? Dang it, did it rip off? Or we fixed it. I got you, Borders. I got you fools. But yeah, dude, got 4 different Dunk low SBs. That's pretty dope. I kind of wish I got this one for my kiddo. Dang it, maybe I should try different skate shops. But yeah, man, not bad. Looks like eye shots as well as the vertebraes are on sale. So I think these are the vertebraes, 25 or 20% off of these. These are $85. And then the eye shot 2s right here, I guess these are 20% off as well. Did they come out with that many colorways? And these are the first signature skate shoes with Air Max or visible Air Max units. Okay, got plenty of them. What these go for? 110, you get 20 off. I was just at Foot Locker and there was a kid looking for Dunks, and he was just getting regular Dunks. He could get Dunk SBs, but he's getting regular Dunks, which are just trash compared to the Dunk SBs. Last pair of these Forum highs right here. It is a size 10, and you get that 50% off, $100. Not bad. These Forums also on sale. Got these Adidas right here. I forgot the name of these. This is like the German name. That's all tough. Oh, never mind. Adimatic mids right here. These are definitely interesting. All suede. These are the Forum 84, so you get that upgraded material. I got the last pair of these right here. This is a signature colorway for one of the skateboarders. Yeah, 50% off 180, man. Last size, 9.5. Some Chucks right here. These look big as hell. These are only 9.5. These look big as hell. And yeah, these are going for $60. You to get an extra 50 off. 50 off of these right here as well. So they got decent number of shoes on sale. Look at these suede ones right here. These suede ones are nice. Material's hella nice. They got all kinds of stuff on sale. I was gonna skip these, but wait, these camel ones look pretty dope. 75, you get that 50 off. It is an interesting material. It's like plastic, patent leather. I don't know, but yeah, 50 off. Got 3 more stores left. Is it me or did everybody else sell out of these suede pandas? And then nobody else had the Weathermans as well as the Nerf KD4s. Is it me or I swear nobody else has had these? Kind of interesting. These are going for what, 150? Air Max 90s, Pittsburgh Steelers colorway, go for $100. Oh snap, they got one of the OG Barclays, the CB94s down to $90. That's a hell of a price for those. And they've had all these New Balances on sale. These stick out, 40. These are the 480s right here, $50 for those. That's not bad. Colorway's not bad either. Material's kind of whatever, but $50, not bad. They got some Comforts on sale for $80 right here. Got mids right here going for $90. Then these low, these are an SE, I believe. The suedes are usually SEs. $90 for these. If your kids need the Hello Kitty Crocs, they got you right here. Just really, really small sizes, though, size 1. And then Dodger Crocs. I don't think I've ever seen these Dodger Crocs. Yeah, they do got quite a few sizes. These are a huge size right here, size 12, and then they got some of the more reasonable sizes, size 6. All the middle sizes are gone. I don't see a price tag though. PacSun right there. Since when have they cared about fear of God and that type of stuff, man? What the hell? We do got a Champ Sports here as well. 50% off tech fleece. That's better than the Nike across the street. Not as nice as the Nike outlets though. Because yeah, the pants are going for $125. These are going for $145. We got other colorways right here. Ooh, they got the multicolor one. Oh, it's a little bit too much. Oh, dang, they got a bunch. They got a bunch on sale. This is grade school. This is the first time I've ever seen the AEs on sale. That's pretty dope. Normally $100, so $20 off AEs. Like I said, this is only for grade school. And then I guess this one just has not been moving. $50 here. Pretty dope. This is not bad. Not bad. The material is definitely interesting, but it's still not bad. Flex Store's been hella chill lately. I don't know. I haven't really seen much. All right, let's check out the JD Sports. They got Yeezys here, regular price, but they do have Yeezys. Yo, this is the first time we've seen the Jordan Hydros on sale. I've seen these on sale here and there. I still need to pick these up for my boy. I need to contact him today. My bad, dog. And then look at this, $40, and they got a bunch of sizes. Holy cow. Will these go down even more? I've not been wearing slides that much lately. I was thinking about it this morning. I've had a ton of feet issues lately, especially playing hoops and stuff like that. So I've been wearing more supportive shoes a lot lately. I haven't been wearing slides as much as usual. Usually during the summer I wear a ton of slides, but I'm trying to get into shape, so been wearing a ton of supportive sneakers. Haven't even been wearing my Jordans too much lately, to be honest. But yeah, $40, holy cow. Do I grab these or do I wait? I don't know. Damn, $40 for those slides. I was trying to log into my, the JD app, and wouldn't work. I was gonna see if I had any points. I don't think I have any points to get a gift card or anything. God dang it. Should I be patient? Should I jump on it? That's what I'm kind of thinking about right here. Ooh, these are nice. These are nice, $45. Got the glow green Jordan 1 highs, $140. We've seen them cheaper than that. Jordans right here, Jordan 2s. Go for $80. That's definitely a solid price. Air Max 1s right here. Aren't these the same ones? These different? Aren't these the same ones? Yeah, these are the same ones. What the hell? One's 100, one's 105. Some Jaws down here. We are seeing a lot of sales. Price is not exactly where I want it to be, but I think now that after school sales or the back to school sales are over, maybe they'll go down even further. Because now that kids are back into school, things aren't going to move as quick. So maybe the prices will go down. It's always tough trying to keep track of stuff. Damn, I'm really thinking about these. I'm going to have to monitor the situation. I'm not going to buy anything yet because I do have to go to a few other places, but I'm going to monitor this. And damn, dude, did I see that at Northridge? I don't think I saw that at Northridge. All right, I'll keep an eye on that. And I need to contact my boy on that, man. I need to meet up with him tomorrow, so damn it. People have been asking where they can find Kobe's for retail. Look at this. Nike Glendale. They did get one of these returned. This is a size 8. And of course, these are the girl beds. You can see the size on the bottom as well. Got the faux chrome on the back with the 24 number on the back as well. Got the Kobe logo on the tongue. Super soft suede. And to be able to get this for retail, pretty freaking dope. They also have a size 13 of these bad boys right here, as well as a pair of these. And I believe these are a size 4 men's. Size 4 men's of the Mamacitas right here. Pretty freaking fire. Nike Well Collective in Glendale. This store is all about the returns. Of course, got a full video coming on the Cool Kids YouTube channel. Check it out.